You probably clicked on this video because maybe you're one of my subscribers that likes to watch all the videos I do. If that's the case, thank you. Or you might have clicked on the video because I'm giving a review of my Vixen G70 4K camera. You ain't gonna believe this crap. And I don't even know for sure if he did it because I didn't see him. But let me show you my leg. My dog urinated on my freaking leg. Kitt, what the hell? You pissed on my leg. He just urinated all over my leg. I am not a tree stump. I'm not a tree. I felt something getting wet when I was standing over there. And sure enough, yes, he peed on my leg. You hiked your leg and urinated on me. What? Are you claiming I'm your property? Oh my word. That would make a video alone, but I'm leaving it in this video, okay? And he actually urinated on my shoe too. I can feel my sock feeling a little wet. That means when I get home, I gotta change my socks and maybe wash the shoe and definitely change my sweatpants. Oh my Lord, okay. I can't believe you peed on my leg. You know, I'm starting to think to keep this video like this and do the G70 when I can actually do it more justice. Matter of fact, I think that's what we're gonna do because I am walking around with a soaking wet leg and all I can think about is my dog urinating on me. So I don't know if I can do this video justice on the camera or not. So that'd be sorry, that'd be in a later video, and I promise you guys, I promise you, I will do it really, really good, okay? I will throw everything plus the kitchen sink at it. But right now, you see how he's hiking his leg now? Shouldn't be showing that. He did that on my leg. How many guys out there that have dogs, male dogs, where their dog urinated on their damn leg? Well, Kitt probably says, well, gee, Dad, that's all you do anyways, talk about your new camera. I thought I'd pee on your leg, give you something else to talk about. Maybe that's it. What is the matter with you, Bubby? Why'd you pee on me? I've owned nothing but female dogs all my life, okay? I've only had female dogs, so Kitt is my first male dog. Okay, Kitt, stay. Up until now, he's been urinating on fences, trees, a little bit of everything. Never even once come close to urinating on me. I didn't think it would ever be possible. I mean, I'm daddy, I'm his dad. I never thought it would ever be possible, him hiking his leg on me and urinating. So he did, But I'm thinking maybe I might know why now. See, when we're down in places like this, and don't eat the grass, Bubby, come on. We're down here in places like this, and this is where he loves to be. There is a million smells. He acts different anyway. All that maleness in him come out. Quit eating the grass, Bubby. That makes you sick sometimes. Don't do that. But all that male in him comes out, and he acts a little different sometimes. So while he's sniffing the grass like he's doing now, and I was standing, giving a video, or making a video, was standing in one spot, he could have turned himself around. He only hikes with one leg, that I know of. He turned himself around by sniffing the grass. He thought, okay, ooh, some of this grass, ooh, I gotta mark it. And then he peed on me. My damn dog peed on me. Once again, leave down in the comments, please, have you ever had your dog urinate on you? Yeah, okay, I know puppies can urinate on you, obviously, especially when they're real little. But he's 1.5 years old. I mean, what the heck gives? Okay, he's getting ready to urinate on his fence, but yeah. And never ever had a dog urinate on me. And I'm gonna tell you, it's a weird feeling right now. Because there's a nip to the air right now. There is a nip to the air. And since my leg is wet, see, I was wondering what was going on. As I was walking through there, talking, making a video, I felt it in my shoe at first. Then I felt it on my leg. I was like, what the heck is going on? why does my leg feel cold all of a sudden? Why? And the funny thing is, right before that, moments before that, it felt warm. But I was putting off the warmness, I don't know. Then it got cold, and then I looked down, I was like, yeah, he peed on me. I guess it could have been worse. He could have peed on Angie's leg. Or we could be out on an adventure miles and miles away from home. He could have peed on a Zen. Oh yeah, that would have been a lot worse. A lot worse. Okay, to make double sure that was Kitt that urinated on my leg, which I know it was, we're gonna go to the same spot it happened in, just to see if I could possibly debunk it. I don't see how. So I know what he did, even though I didn't see him do it. But the evidence is right there. My leg's soaking wet. Oh my Lord. Okay, right there, Kitt. No pool. Right there's my defiant. I got out of the door and I walked right straight up through that way, between that little garbage can, which I gotta throw the poop bag in, and that tree. Got up right about this way, Bubby. Right about here. And that's where I felt the warmness from my dog. Well, warmness, I didn't know it was from him at first, but that's where I felt my leg getting very, very warm. Then as I got closer, up further ahead, it felt cold. Very cold. So when I got up here to the road, when I was pretty much right here at this point, I looked down at my leg and I noticed it was wet. Instantly, I knew what happened. Instantly. Okay, let's go over here to the bench, Kitt, and we'll look at the lake, or I'm sorry, the creek. I knew he peed on me. Now my fear is, since he kind of know he did it once, maybe he didn't know, is he going to do it again? The only bad part about this spot right here, looking at the creek, you got a pretty significant highway right up there, and you hear nothing but sounds of the cars, trucks, and buses going by. All right, Mr. Kitt. You ready? Let's give another walk around. And I gotta be very cautious because right there, you see that white thing? That is a white donut. And I don't want my dog getting nowhere near it. All right, come on, Kitt. Let's give another lap in. Wouldn't that be a hell of a thing, though? To have a male dog, and every chance that male dog got, he was marking you. He was hiking his leg and urinating on you. Wouldn't that be a hell of a thing? Oh, crap. Please tell me, Kitt, please. That's not going to be you, is it, Bubby? Please tell me that's not going to be you one day, please. No, no, no. Please tell me. Oh, Lord, I hope not. Well, the first thing I need to do is take these sweats off that I use when I come out from my walk and his walk. Put them in the washer immediately and wash them. I also better take a wet washcloth and wash my leg. Yeah. And next time I'm down here with him, or anywhere I might be, and he's at tow, I gotta make sure he don't urinate on me no more. Oh my God. Please, please, down below, if this has ever happened to you, you gotta let me know. It's almost embarrassing. Yeah, but yet I'm putting it out for the world to see. My dog peed on me. It's almost embarrassing. It is. Oh, Daddy's not angry with you, honey. You did not see. Okay, let's be serious for a second. Well, this is serious, but he did not know any better. He didn't. My leg's itching now where he urinated on me. It's also cold. He did not know any better. It's his natural instinct when we get out to places like we is for him to go up to different things and hike that leg. And by him smelling the grass like he was, he's like, oh, oh, oh. And it triggered that instinct, and next thing you know, he hiked his leg and urinated on me. Because not all the time he has something to hike his leg on. I've seen that happen a couple times. Him just in the middle of the grass, nothing around him, hike his leg and go pee. All right, guys, you gotta leave it down in the comments. Tell me what you think about today's video, which it was supposed to be about my camera, but I promise you I will do another one. Give me about a week or so and I will do that one justice. I promise that. Today's video kind of made itself, if you know what I mean. Well, it's starting to get dark. I need to get home because right now I'm in the middle of editing. I'm in the middle of editing that cabin. Yes, that beautiful cabin we went to. And yes, we are making plans as soon as the next couple days going back there. That's right, we are. And we want to make a trip to Richmond, but Richmond is a good piece away from my home, so I have to make sure I have plenty of daylight for that one. But we're making plans going back there because there's a graveyard and lots more to get, and we still won't even be scratching the surface. All right, guys, till next time, leave your comments down below. Hit that like button. At least you could do that for me. I got urinated on. So maybe feel bad for me and hit that like button. Share it to your friends. Say, hey, this idiotic looking dude with a long beard got peed on by his dog. It's funny. Watch the video, make fun of him. That's okay. Yeah. But tell him I start the video off talking about my camera first. So whatever you heard me say about the camera will probably be repeated again when I make that video in about a week or two. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. Now, Kitt, never mind. Until then, thanks for watching.